Hello, first graders. Our lesson today is going to be Chapter 7, Lesson 5. It's going to be looking at how we make bar graphs. So on this first page, on page 535 in your math books, you can open it up and you can ask, I want you to pick 6 people. So you can call them, or if you have 6 people around you, you can ask those 6 people, what is their favorite summer activity? Is it swimming? Is it boating? Or is it water skiing? And then using a crayon, you're going to color in each box, one for each person that votes for it. So if one person says their favorite activity is swimming, you're going to color in the one box for swimming. If another person says swimming, you're going to color in the next box for swimming. After you do that, that's going to complete that. We want to be able to graph it. You can show mom or dad how to do that graph asking people. So if I turn the page in my math books to 536, let me zoom in here. We're going to get into this a little bit more of what the bar graph is. Bar graphs are very similar to many other graphs. The only difference is instead of like tally marks, they have bars or boxes that they have colored in. They can go horizontal and they can go vertical. So they can also go up and down as well. So if I look here, I have a tally chart of the shapes that I see. So pretty simple. We've worked on tally charts. If I fill it in, how many shapes do I see? I know that this little group right here means it's 5. So I add one more and I have a total of 6. So I have 6 people that saw, or 6 squares that I've seen. Triangles, again, I don't have the line across, so I don't have a group of 5. I have just simply 4. And my next one, again, this is a group of 5, and then I have 6, 7. So that gives me a total of 7. So now using my tally chart, I'm going to build a bar graph. So I don't have all the colors. I have the blue, I have orange, and I have green. So I'm going to use blue for the squares. I'm going to build it based off of my tally chart. So if I have 6 people up here that saw, or 6 squares that I've seen, I'm going to color in 6 boxes. To save some time, I'm just going to put an X to show that I've marked it. So there's 1, and I'll do this until I've reached my 6 squares. 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course, we want you to go ahead and color in with your pencil, crayon, whatever you may have right there. Go ahead and color in your 6 spots. Now again, I don't have yellow, but I will use my orange for this one. For my triangles, how many triangles did I see? I saw 4. Again, I'm just going to fill those in with X's today. So 1, 2, 3, and there's my 4. So it lets me really see a little bit better who has more. Does squares have more or do triangles have more? And I can see very easily that the squares have more. Again, now I go to my circles. I have 7. I do have green, so I'm going to mark that. So I'm going to color or X in my 7. So there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, there's 6, there's 7. Very nice. Now the bar graph again is just nice for me to be able to see which has more, which has the least. It's very easy for my eyes to track who has the most. And I can see right here clearly that circles have the most, or we're seeing the most. Okay. Go ahead and turn the page in your book, and you're going to turn to page 537. You have your independent practice page. So I would like you to finish both the front and the back of your independent practice page. Make sure you use a picture to submit into Canvas. If you have any questions, let us know.